In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to upscale your videos to gorgeous 4K inside DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're brand new to editing or a regular on the timeline, this simple process will help you get crisp, professional-looking results in minutes. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve and heading straight to your media pool. From there, right-click your timeline, hover over Timelines, and choose Timeline Settings. Go ahead and uncheck Use Project Settings, then open up the Resolution dropdown. Select 3840 Ultra HD, hit OK, and you're good to go on the timeline side. Next, right-click your clip and choose Clip Attributes. Scroll down to the Superscale section, open the dropdown, and select 4x for the highest quality upscale. And that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've boosted your footage to clean, sharp 4K. Feel free to play around with the Superscale options to see what works best for your project. If this helped you out, make sure to drop a like and stick around for more editing tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.